Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily install this app for your Android device and how to set up this application. So firstly we have to head over Play Store and then search. In the search bar we have to search for LG. The first app is not ours, it's LG Thank You. We have to scroll down till we see LG XBOOM app. Is this application, and here we have to tap install button. It may take a while, don't worry, it depends on your internet connection and your phone itself. Here we have to tap open.
Which app do you want to open?
And now we have to tap agree and start. Here we have permission settings, and here we have to allow LG XBOOM app to find, connect to and determine the related position number devices. Allow. Here we have setup for turning off battery optimization. LG XBOOM app battery setup is required for smooth playback. Please select battery setting and change it to unrestricted. Battery setting, allow. Notification, we can allow for notifications, of course, but you don't need to. Here we have to tap don't show this again if you don't really want to see this, and here we can tap deny or allow, of course. Here, as you can see, we have the speaker itself. Of course, we will have our speaker paired with our application only when we are connected to our speaker by Bluetooth before this whole process. I recommend doing so because, as you can see, it's only just a few clicks, and this whole process took us 2 minutes actually. So yeah, now we are all done. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.